Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Google LLC of Campus Drive. They are hiring for two positions. It is an on-site job opportunity. So let's get started. It's a very important video to the candidates 2020-22 batches and 2020-23 batches. So let's get started. And if you have come first time in our channel, you have to subscribe to get this type of job notification as well as interview tips, career guidance, as well as interview experience related videos. So let's get started. So Google has published their notification for hiring software engineer position, and your working location will be New Taipei city in Taiwan, that is in Japan. So first job you will, if you crack this opportunity, then you will get the opportunity to work in on-site for Google. So this job profile name is software engineer, university graduate of 2022 are eligible, and also 2023 are eligible for another job post in the same company. So you are able to see that BTech, ME, MTech are eligible. So this role is eligible for visa sponsorship. Candidates can apply for this job irrespective of their current location. Google welcomes people with disabilities also. Okay, so you will be part of the engineering team, and your responsibility will be, you have to build platform, system, networking infrastructure. Working experience you will have, and the minimum qualification required is bachelor degree in computer science or related technical field or equivalent. Practical experience in computer science, data structure, algorithm, and software design is required. Experience in software development, coding in general purpose programming language is required. The preferred qualification is like, if you have extensive programming knowledge in C, C++, Java, or Python, it's a plus point for you. Experience with Unix, Linux, and Windows environment and distributed system machine learning will be another plus point to you. So if you want to get to apply this job, just click on these two apply links. I will definitely provide the apply link. If you click on the first link, then it will redirect to the 2022 graduate page. There you will able to see once again the job notification, and you will be able to click on apply button. By clicking on apply, you have to sign in there, otherwise the registration form will not be open to you. So after sign in, you will be able to apply for this job. And if you click on the second link, that is also for the 2000 2023 graduates, and 2020-22 batch are also eligible for this. So you have to apply. Just click on this apply button, and then you have to sign in, similar step. Okay, so this is the job updates regarding the Google. Now I'm going to discuss about another interesting opportunity for the 2020-22 batches, for the Great Learning platform, where they are hiring candidates for the work from home job. So let's get started. So I will show you, this is the platform, this is the Great Learning platform. So there you will able to see that they have posted 15,000 plus jobs, as well as their maximum salary got by the student is 36 LPA, and up to 7.5 LPA internship opportunity. Mostly all of the students are getting. So you are able to see most of the jobs are here, high paid jobs. So this is a very good platform. You can just register there, join, you can. So two job notification has come from Great Learning platform. One is for TE connectivity postgraduate trainer engineer position. You have to apply. The application deadline is Sunday 17th of October. So required skill basically logical thinking, analytical problem solving, and technical skills. So annual salary they have declared 8.5 LPA, and your domains must be IT, and your location will be Bangalore. So the designation required is, the total degree required is BTech in mechatronics plus PG in mechatronics or any PG stream. Batch will be 2022. Salary will be 8.5, and designation will be postgraduate trainee engineer. So as I have mentioned, these skills are required, and also tentative selection process start from 18th of October, and there is no particular percentage criteria for 10th and 12th. This is a plus point. Selection process will be online test, technical interview, then HR interview, and there is no such kind of bond, and very interesting opportunity. You can give a try. Just if you have to apply, then just click on sign up with Google, or sign up with, if you have account you can log in definitely, otherwise you have to sign up with Google. Then you have to click on application link. So next job notification has come from Softster. It's a software engineer position, full stack developer you will be, and application deadline is 17th of October, that is Sunday. Required skills is CSS, HTML, JavaScript and Python. So this company is based of California, and head office is there California, and here also salary mentioned, during training period you will get 15,000, after training you will get 4 LPA to 7 LPA based on your performance. Target batch is any degree can apply, mainly graduation year 2020-22 are eligible. Training period, depending on the candidate skill, the training period will be decided. If the candidate is technically strong, then there will not be any training period. Okay. Next, the software engineer designation. What are the skills mainly they are requiring? Like knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python are required. Experience designing and integrating RESTful APIs are required. So as I mentioned, it's a work from home job. Tentative joining date is 25th of October. Interview location is online. Selection process will start from 20th of October, and for 10th and 12th, no percentage criteria. So selection process mainly level 1 task completion, level 2 HR round. Very interesting job opportunity. You can sign in or sign up to apply. So basically these all are the job notification I want to give you. So if you have any doubt, please let us know in the comment box, and hit the subscribe button if you really like the content, and hit the like button. Take care. We will meet in next video with new job updates.